over 30 years, the Trucker has been the leading source of trucking industry news and information for truck drivers across the U.S. The Trucker provides the latest and most comprehensive news affecting the trucking industry with award-winning journalism and news coverage that is informative, objective, and engaging. So visit thetrucker.com today for up-to-date news. That's thetrucker.com. Or pick up a copy of The Trucker along with the Trucker Jobs magazine at select TA, Petro, and other truck stops throughout the nation.